Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get invisible item frames in Minecraft. First, understand that these special frames are not crafted. They are obtained through a game command. This method allows you to display items in a way that appears to float, greatly improving the visual appeal of your structures and designs. It's a fantastic tool for advanced builders. To get an invisible item frame, you'll need to use a specific command in your chat. Make sure cheats are enabled or you are in creative mode. The command is /give at pminecraft, item frame entity tag, invisible, 1b. This command gives one invisible item frame directly to your inventory. It's a straightforward process once you know the exact syntax. Once you have the invisible item frame in your inventory, you can place it just like any regular item frame. Simply right-click on the block where you want it to appear. Then, right-click the invisible frame again while holding the item you wish to display. The item will then float in place, creating a clean, frameless presentation. Invisible item frames open up many creative possibilities for your Minecraft builds. You can use them to make items appear to float in mid-air, perfect for displaying rare weapons, tools, or even maps. They are also excellent for creating custom signage or adding subtle decorative touches that enhance your world's immersion. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.